guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ and today's video is going to be a hair review. So if you want to see me review some hair, make sure you keep on watching. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. I'm gonna jump right into this video so it won't be too long, but this hair is from Maxine hair store, and then the closure is from Lemoda official store, I believe. Everything will be linked down in the description box just to make sure, and I'll link, directly where I got the hair from and all that. I did pay for everything with my own money. The total came up to $205 for 4 bundles and a closure, so that's not bad at all. The lengths that I got for the bundles were an 18, a 20, and 2 22s, and then the closure was an 18-inch, so kind of long, just a little bit. I ordered this hair on March 10th, and the closure came on March 15th, and the hair came on March 14th, so 4 days, 5 days. But I did order it on a Saturday, so they had to take up for the weekend and all that, so it did come really fast. So I am pleased about that. Both the closure and the bundles are very thick. Since I did get 4 bundles, I did double weft them. So the 22 inches and the 20 inches are double wefted, and then when I got to the top with the 18-inch, I single wefted so it could be a little bit flatter at the top. This is all that I have left of the 18-inch, which is not a lot. I can actually fit it in the back, but honestly I don't really need to, and it's not that much anyway, so it's not gonna make a difference. But yeah, I did pretty much use all the hair, and it is very full if you want to see. I did cut the hair a little bit. I'm pretty sure it was like a little bit further down, like toward my belly button, but it's still pretty long on me for me to be 5'7.5", 5'8". So I cut it because the ends were very scraggly and kind of just thin looking, so I cut it so it could look healthy all the way through. So if you want to order long lengths, go one size up, so you can go one length up, so if it's scraggly at the end you can cut it to the desired length that you want. I'm just going to talk about the pros and cons of the hair so far. Since I have only been wearing this for like 3 days, I'm only going to talk about what I've experienced. I'm not going to say this hair is amazing, it's bomb, go buy it, because I haven't even been wearing it that long to even tell you all that. So far, the pros of this hair are that it is very soft, like it's so soft to touch, and the curl is just really pretty. Like it's so defined and just so pretty. Like I don't know how to describe it, but just being pretty. And the hair does like product. I've never seen a hair that likes product. So when I originally made this wig, I didn't have anything on it, and it was kind of poofy a little bit. So I washed it, and then I used this Bella Curls leave-in conditioner, which is like $5 at Dollar General, so you better go pick that up because it does work. And it just made the hair so defined and so shiny and moisturized, and it made the hair smell really good. So I used that, but I did run my fingers through it, so it kind of poofed back up a little bit. But it does like product, so I will say that is good, because most hair, when you put something on it, it just mats up, it just tangles, and like you're putting product on it to make it manageable. So this definitely made it more manageable. And I will say that the hair does not tangle at all. Like if it does tangle, it's nothing that you can't get out with a comb or anything. It's nothing like matting or anything like that. I do have a wig on, so I take it on and off. So if you wear it in a sew-in, I don't know how that will work. Another thing I do want to mention is that I normally don't bleach the knots on the closure because it does lead to shedding and lead to the knots being weaker. I did bleach it this time. This was my first time ever even using bleach, and I will say that the knots bleached really well. I used the Clairol bleach powder, and then I used I'll leave it in the description box, but I don't even know the name of the developer, but it was 40 volume developer, and I left it on there for like 20 minutes. I think it was either 15 or 20, and it definitely lightened it up. I didn't want to go too light because I didn't want the roots to start turning blonde. Some of the cons that I will say, which I have experienced some, but they're nothing that's too big. So it does snag. It snags on your fingers and stuff, and then it is a little bit like, I won't say it's a tangle because it's nothing that you have to like break apart or anything, but it just snags right at certain places. So that is one of the cons. And then another con that I can just show you just from running my fingers through it is that it does shed. Like, it's easy to shed too. Running my fingers through my hair, it doesn't like come out with a ball or anything. It's nothing too dramatic, but it does shed, like right here. Nothing major, but it sheds. Those are the only things that I would say right now about the hair. This is my initial review, so things may change in the next couple of days. So I will definitely make a follow-up like review after I've worn this and actually know for sure everything about this hair and this closure. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, make sure you leave a comment below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, make sure you stay tuned for my video next week, and I will see you guys in my next video.